Hello, hello. What are today's messages? And what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards. It's okay to be annoyed. That is part of being human. The key is to let go of being judgmental of others, preferences, or feeling prideful about your own as the right way. Accept that all relationships have their ups and downs. You have to have a sense of humor about the human condition itself and its seeming contradictions and paradoxes. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Tony Robbins. Today, don't compare yourself to anybody else. Sometimes you don't realize your own strength until you come face to face with your greatest weakness. Susan Gale. How can you use your strengths to overcome an area you can improve upon? Celebrate you. Appreciate who you see in the mirror. Recognize and celebrate how far you've come. Acknowledge yourself and name 3 things you're proud of. Appreciating yourself builds self-esteem. Alrighty, our quotes today. The more you love yourself, the less nonsense you're willing to tolerate. Of course I struggle. I just don't quit. I believe in myself and my power. I see myself as empowered and in control of my life. What shall I put my focus on? For more peace and serenity. What shall I nurture to reduce worry, stress, and anxiety? What is my rock, my strength right now? I give thanks for the limitless possibilities in my life. What part of me do I need to receive and celebrate fully? I release all self-criticism and negative self-talk. I am in harmony with my own heart. I allow myself to be me. I let go of past negative experiences. I let go of everything that pulls me down. And the last one today. Repeat after me. I am powerful and creative problem solver. I am a success magnet and opportunities flow to me. I am a master of my thoughts and emotions. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Balance. May you find equilibrium in motion. Actions. Make a stand for a cause or an individual who is being wronged. In the game of life, it's more fun when we're all on the same team, and I'm in control of the team roster. Activate today's intention. Acceptance. Set boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries in personal and professional relationships to protect one's time, energy, and emotional well-being. Number 23. Set boundaries. Draw a line in the sand and unleash your inner protector of time, energy, and sanity, because healthy boundaries keep the world in check and your peace of mind intact. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this one. I will continue to work on myself, knowing that there is always room for progress. Stop mindlessly living life. Choose something and go all in. Dedicate your life to your mission. Become obsessed. Chase mastery. Go far beyond average. Live purposefully. Stay away from people who only see the wrong in everyone else, but not in themselves. Yes, yes. Remember, your mental health is more important than your job, your physical appearance, your family's expectations, or anyone else's opinion. The universe is exposing who you should cut ties with. Pay attention. And the last one today. Check in. What is working well? What is something that needs to be improved? What are you grateful for? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's start off with these quotes first. Ego is a terrified child. Sit with it. Notice what it says and does, and then lovingly question it. Byron Katie. Dirty water has never stopped a plant from growing. Don't let negative words stunt your progress. Every year I realize how ridiculous I was a year ago. How about you? Don't let them take the stars from your eyes. Yes, yes. Don't keep anyone in your life who can't defend you in a room you aren't in. Yes, yes. Tomorrow is not promised. Enjoy your paid time off today. Some friendships, careerships, and relationships are meant to teach you to walk away from what you no longer align with. I took the road less traveled, and now I don't know where the heck I am. Happy people don't go through life collecting and seeking recognition. They go through life giving it away. All right, which cards are we needing to see today? Oh, the cover. 13, laugh out loud. Laughter is really the best medicine. Laughing eases tension and relieves stress. Watch a funny movie or call an uplifting friend. Today, look for ways to laugh and see the humor in life. If a previous negative experience seems true to you and stands in the way of your dreams, ask yourself, is this really the truth, or could I look at it from another angle? Could I allow my dreams to come true despite my history? Laughter. Laughter instantly shifts a situation or environment into a higher vibration. Hang out with kids, watch a comedy, or just start laughing. If nothing else, start with a smile. Maybe it's both. There are two kinds of people in this world. Those who believe there are two kinds of people in this world, and those who know our shared humanity means we share more than we don't. That it's a circle and a spectrum and one big overlapping Venn diagram where more than one thing can be true, all of us and everything. Maybe it's the end of an era and the beginning of another. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.